Larry BL here again, and this time we'll talk about the single wire charging circuit. The manual says these are 6 to 9 amp alternators. They call them single wire. Looking at the stator, it does have just a single wire. It has a common ground point. So what this means that this whole complete coil, unlike the split stator like we've seen in the previous episode, this whole coil provides a single current. Okay. With this stator, the regulator or diode setup, again the stator spins within the flywheel, which has magnets. This creates an AC current. We have to change the AC current to a DC current. This is done with diodes. We explained how the diode worked in a previous segment. This particular tractor uses a dual diode setup. Basically, what it looks like is something like this. You'll find this if you have a Craftsman series lawn tractor with this. You'll find this under the dash. You have a single wire coming from the engine, which is the alternator, going into the dual diode assembly. The positive side of the diode, remember on our last segment, this diode will only let the positive side of the AC signal through, and it is used to drive the charging system, and also on this particular tractor a PTO. The negative side of the diode, which comes out of the dual diode assembly, is used to drive the lights. On this particular tractor you could use LED type lights, but caution that you would have to wire them as a positive ground. Okay. What I've done here is I've set up our little test bench, and again we have the common, which is common going to the light bulb, and it is common also going to the battery. We have run the negative diode to the light bulb and the positive diode to the battery. So I'll go ahead and turn our transformer on, and as you can see, we have our charging current going to the battery, which is the positive, and we also have the negative going to the light. I do note that in this type of setup the light is a little bit dimmer because we are losing a little bit of voltage across the diode. But this is the single wire alternator setup. Looking at another diagram here depicting the single coil going into your dual diode regulator. The positive diode goes to your key switch for your charging circuit. The negative diode goes through a light switch for your light circuit. This is the dual diode single wire stator setup. Thank you.